So one of the best and biggest shooters in VR finally arrived officially, well, kind of, on the Oculus Quest 2, and also a new cooling facepad? Hey, they're here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel, so let's discover it together in this video. Let's get into it. Just a little plug before the video, we are in the road to 100k, so just 8k more to go. Things are getting very close, and of course, if you don't know that yet, well, I decided to do this crazy stuff and started to give away one Oculus Quest 2 each month till the end of the year when we reach 100k. So the sooner the better, of course. How we get there? Well, remember to like, because that really helps with the algorithm. Share and subscribe, of course, if you like this kind of videos and if you like VR in general, you want to know more. And yeah, you guys have made it possible, so I wanted to give back to the community with this crazy thing. So yeah, that's all. Let's get to the video. Alright, so I've been using this for around a week on my Oculus Quest 2 right now. And what's particular here, why they are different from the usual VR cover that you get? These have a cooling gel inside. They're gonna make you feel like a kind of chill out while you're playing. Now, I was a little skeptical, of course, because I was like, wait a minute, how does it work? But yeah, they feel pretty chill. Also, if you put them in the fridge, well, they do wonder because they stay cool for a while. And it's just amazing if you're playing some workout games like Beat Saber, Pistol Whip, or Supernatural and stuff like that, because, well, it keeps the temperature of your forehead down, and so it prevents some fogging, of course, and it feels good, to be honest. I'm not gonna go too long talking about phones, of course, because yeah, it's just a face cover, but it comes to different sizes, standard and comfort. I'm using the standard that is a little thinner, and of course you're gonna have a more FOV, but the cooling tank is exactly the same. Instead, the other one is a little thicker foam inside, not just a cooling foam, but also the regular foam, so it's a bit more comfortable. If you use glasses, they also have the new glass spacer that can be useful if you use the thinner one, of course, and the kit is $29.99, not super cheap, so I don't know if I can recommend it. I have to say that yes, it feels much better if you use workout games and stuff like that. It could be a good option to keep it chill. But yeah, that's what VR cover worked on. By the way, I feel like right now I got to the complete version of my Oculus Quest 2. I have the VR cover on the back to make it more comfortable, the Elite strap, the bionic headphones that are super cool, and of course now I have the foam replacement with the cooling gel. So yeah, it's super comfortable, the FOV is amazing, and then this is a kind of a final version of my Oculus Quest 2 right now. And it doesn't look that bad, right? It feels like pretty legit. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below in case so you can check them out. But most important thing today is actually the release of Pavlov shacks on AppLab. Well, it didn't arrive directly on the Oculus Store yet. The dev said they're still working on it. When it's gonna be final, then it's gonna arrive as a full game to the Oculus Store. But right now, the cool thing that you can already play Pavlov, not anymore using side quests and stuff like that, but just through AppLab. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. You just add it to your library. It's gonna appear in your library. You can download it, and well, you're good to go. Not any more problems, and it's completely free. Also, just yesterday, the dev said they had a spike of 3,000 people connected at the same time, so it's unbelievable how many people are playing that game, and it's absolutely understandable because it's a great game overall. There are three major shooting games in VR right now on the Oculus Quest. You have Onward, that is more like an Arma game, the most realistic of the bunch. You have Contractors, that is already on the store as well. That is more like I would say a Battlefield more than a Call of Duty, because it's not super fast. You have to capture zones and something like it. And then now we have Pavlov. That is pretty much Counter-Strike straight in VR. So it's very fast, very technical, and the modding community behind is just incredible. So if you want to play different kind of games like TTT and stuff like that, well, there is the place to go. The guns feeling is just amazing. So super recommended indeed. And yeah, it's on AppLab right now, and it's free. So something that you should check out for sure. Here, every guys, I'm very happy to see Pavlov finally arrive in a kind of a more official way to the Oculus Store, so more people can actually enjoy it and not going through side quests and stuff like that had his own problems with microphone and things. So now it's finally working probably, and I hope you're gonna see it in the real store very soon, because even more people should be exposed to this game. But you already had a spike of 3,000 people in a single day. This is just amazing. So yeah, I think things are gonna go very well over there. Do you like Pavlov? Do you prefer Contractor or no words? Let me know in the comment below. Anyway guys, as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech, and if you really love the channel, so join button down there. Later on further, also the Patreon with prior access to videos, and at the same time we have t-shirts, sticker, mask, 2021 item and #1. But again, as always, like, subscribe. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.